This is the Parkside Cordless LED light, and it might be one of the most useful tools you can own. A compact, powerful, and super versatile light designed for real work. Right away, you can see the foldable design. This thing adjusts to multiple angles so you can light up tight spaces, workbenches, or even your car engine with zero effort. The LED strip is bright and wide, giving you strong, even illumination. No dark spots, no shadows. Perfect for precision work. Build quality? Solid. You get that classic Parkside grip, durable body, and a design that actually feels made to last. And check this out. The rotating head lets you position the light exactly where you need it. No more holding a flashlight with your mouth. It's cordless, lightweight, and extremely practical. Whether you're in the garage, on a job site, or dealing with an emergency, this thing just works. You also get multiple brightness levels so you can adjust depending on what you're doing, from quick checks to full-on detailed work. Another big plus, portability. You can carry it anywhere, store it easily, and it doesn't take up space in your setup. Honestly, for the price, this is one of those tools that makes your life easier every single time you use it. Simple, effective, and reliable. Exactly what you expect from Parkside. And here's where it joins the collection. All my Parkside lights in one place. If you're into tools like this and want to see more, make sure you hit subscribe. There's a lot more coming.